Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We hope you all had a wonderful Christmas with your loved ones. For those who celebrated Christmas, belated Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to you all. May this year bring you joy, happiness, and of course, good health. So, family, in our last video, we were living beautiful Thailand, and oh my goodness, we miss it so much, especially the food. It was so delicious. We went to Ayutthaya to visit four temples, and also we went to Dam Nuwen Sadwak, the floating market in Thailand, and we went to Chao Phraya River. We had an adventure there, and also we celebrated my birthday on a cruise ship. And it was so fun. So guys, if you haven't yet, please check out our Thailand content. We were very happy to share our journey with you, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Now fam, if you may notice that Kelly is missing from this video, unfortunately she had an emergency and had to rush back to America, but she'll be back soon. And we have some amazing content lined up for you, including a tour of the Philippines that we cannot wait to share. So keep following us, guys, and thank you for your love and support. We love you to the moon and back. So today, Kelly and I want to share some highlights from our tribal wedding ceremony with you. Yes, you heard it right, our tribal wedding ceremony with you. Because as you all know, I am from the Philippines, and I am a member of a tribe, specifically in southern Mindanao. Our tribe is called Blaan, and I'm so proud of it. So in our tribe, we are born Roman Catholic. But before you get the blessings from the church, you have to have the tribal wedding first. And so it was the very joyous moment of our lives. So we cannot wait to share this with you. But since Kelly is in America, I'm going to make a video showcasing my culture. But in this particular video right now, we want to share with you the highlights of our tribal wedding. So let's dive in. Hello again to our beautiful YouTube family and friends. In this video, Kelly and I are thrilled to share exclusive highlights of our Blaan culture wedding celebration, where love dances to the rhythm of tradition. Join us as we celebrate the enchanting world of our Blaan wedding in the Philippines. In this emotional journey, we celebrate love, culture, and the beautiful Blaan traditions that remind us of the strength of community and the power of love.
Kilan kafngu tarun kastifun kasaping Blaan. Kilan kafngu lita ablaan malah di banu. Afnalah labu afnalah tasa kastulun. Kilan kastifun am olita Blaan. tablaan, kamon tibaling sa kaladalan. Bagatas tabang di kafyuban nenga tobaling sa halkiyu. Untobaling suteh nawadi banu. Blaan kilan kafnulita ablaan malah tibanu afnalah laba afnalah tasa kastulun kilan kastifunam olita blaan kamun tibaling saklah dalan pagatas tabang wadi kafyuban nenga tobaling sa halkiyu. Kilan kastifunam oli tablaan kamun tibaling sa kaladalan. Pagatas tabang wadi kafyuban nenga tobaling sa halkiyu. Kilan kastifunam oli tablaan kamun tibaling sa kaladalan. Pagatas tabang di kafyuban nenga tobaling sa halkiyu. Untobaling suteh nawadi banu. Untobaling suteh nawadi banu.
In the heart of Mindanao, we, the Blaan people, embody a vibrant culture steeped in history. Our wedding ceremonies are not just unions of two hearts, they are a rich tapestry of rituals that honor our ancestors, celebrate life, and strengthen community bonds. Each moment is infused with meaning, from the colorful attire that showcases our heritage to the heartfelt blessing shared among family and friends. Together, we weave a narrative that reflects our values, love, and the spirit of unity that defines us.
Galgusalak di kalbong, tubet blaan di banu. Itlita gusampo yung gamu, gusampo guro. Untobaling suteh nawadi banu. Kilan kafnu tarun kastifun kasafing blaan. Kilan kafnu lita ablaan malah di banu. Afnalah laba afnalah tasa kastulun. Kilan kastifunam olit tablaan kamun tibaling sa kaladalan. Pagatas tabang di kafyuban nenga tobaling sa halkiyu. Untobaling suteh nawadi banu. mabaling sa halkayu Kilan kasti po na
Thank you for joining us in celebrating our beautiful moments of love. Your support means the world to us. We hope you enjoyed every heartfelt memory and cherished tradition we shared. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more magical moments in the future. We're grateful to have you as part of our journey. Please keep following us for an in-depth video exploring the rich history of our Blaan culture coming soon. And feel free to share your thoughts below. See you on our next video.